Hi teacher, my name is Andres, last name Pizarro. My topic, a typical week. Will Monday through Saturday are mostly my work days and get up at 6:20 a.m. morning to have breakfast and my work date start at 8 a.m. morning. My job is to be a call center operator, basically answering calls and responding to complaints and so on until my work date ends at 5 p.m. afternoon. I have English class on Monday and Wednesday and Fridays from 8:45 to 9:45 p.m. evening. I have dinner 10 p.m. and 11 p.m. evening night when is my bedtime is basically repeat itself that way. But on Sunday, which is my day off, get up later and 10 a.m. morning. I have breakfast and lunch at 2 p.m. Afternoon, and from 4 p.m. afternoon and to 8 p.m. evening is where I relax playing soccer with my friend at 10 p.m. I get ready for dinner. I check some emails if I have pending work. If I don't at 11 p.m., it get ready to go to sleep. I will basically I summarize it my weekend. Thank you, teacher.